Welcome to the inviting world of Epicurean Trails, unveiling the world's hidden flavors. This concept centers on the journey to discover, appreciate, and savor the less publicized, often overlooked culinary delicacies from around the globe. It's about forging connections between cultures through food, exploring unique ingredients, traditional recipes, and the stories they carry. The allure of Epicurean Trails lies in its promise of not only tasting hidden flavors, but also understanding the cultural, historical, and social contexts from which they arise. In the grand tapestry of world cuisines, there are countless flavors and dishes that remain largely undiscovered to the mainstream audience. Many people primarily engage with the most popularized cuisines, but Epicurean Trails invites us to delve deeper and widen our palates. This is significant because it fosters cultural appreciation and understanding, promoting diversity and inclusivity in the culinary world. It helps preserve culinary traditions that might otherwise be overshadowed by globalized food trends and fast food influences. Real-world applications of this concept can be seen in initiatives like the slow food movement, which champions the preservation of traditional and regional cuisine. Another example is the rise of food tours and culinary travel experiences in places like Myanmar or Georgia, where travelers are introduced to local staples such as shan noodles or khachapuri, a bread filled with cheese offering a taste of authenticity and heritage. Supporting opinions highlight the idea that food acts as a universal language capable of bridging cultural gaps and fostering mutual respect. Chefs and culinary enthusiasts often advocate for the preservation and promotion of regional specialties, helping ensure that these culinary traditions are passed down through generations. Challenges to this concept include the logistics of sourcing authentic ingredients and the risk of cultural appropriation, where aspects of a culture's cuisine are adopted without proper respect or understanding. There are also alternative viewpoints, suggesting that the emphasis on hidden flavors risks further marginalizing those cuisines in need of exposure. This idea influences broader discussions on globalization, sustainability, and cultural identity. By promoting the exploration and appreciation of hidden flavors, Epicurean Trails inspires us to embrace the interconnectedness of cultures and question what we choose to preserve and celebrate. Ultimately, this journey is not just about new tastes, but about expanding our worldviews and nurturing a more inclusive appreciation for the diverse flavors that make up our culinary planet. Discovering authentic culinary traditions across continents invites us to explore the diverse tapestry of flavors that make up global cuisine. The concept revolves around seeking out and experiencing genuine food practices, ingredients, and cooking methods that have been preserved over generations. It signifies a journey not just of taste, but of cultural understanding and appreciation. This exploration is pivotal to Epicurean Trails, taste the world's hidden flavors, as it champions the idea of going beyond mainstream culinary experiences to uncover the authentic heart of local and traditional cuisines. The significance of discovering authentic culinary traditions is manifold. Firstly, it aids in preserving cultural heritage and culinary diversity in a rapidly globalizing world where homogenized food culture is a growing trend. By engaging with traditional food, one can gain insights into regional histories, social customs, and local ecosystems. Furthermore, it enhances our culinary knowledge and appreciation, adding depth to our gastronomic experiences. Consider the example of Oaxaca in Mexico, a region renowned for its rich tapestry of pre-Hispanic cuisine, such as mole negro, a complex sauce with more than 30 ingredients. Exploring this region allows travelers to witness indigenous ingredients like hoja santa and cacao being used in time-honored ways. Another example is the traditional kaiseki dining in Japan, a multi-course meal that highlights seasonal ingredients through refined techniques, revealing the meticulous precision and aesthetic considerations that underpin Japanese culinary philosophy. Supporters of this exploration argue that encountering authentic culinary traditions enriches our palate and breaks down cultural barriers, fostering global unity through shared food experiences. However, challenges do arise. The commercialization of certain dishes for tourist consumption can dilute their authenticity. Additionally, there may be a fine line between cultural appreciation and appropriation, especially when outsiders attempt to replicate these dishes without a full understanding of their cultural context. Connecting to the broader theme of Epicurean Trails, discovering these authentic traditions inspires a more inclusive and holistic understanding of world cuisines. It encourages travelers and food enthusiasts to delve deeper, moving past culinary cliches to appreciate the stories behind each dish. This pursuit can promote sustainable tourism and support local economies by encouraging the preservation and sharing of culinary heritage. As a movement, it urges us to look beyond the surface and savor the hidden flavors that define the world's rich and diverse food landscape. The art of sourcing and identifying unique ingredients is a crucial aspect of culinary exploration, particularly when embarking on Epicurean trails designed to uncover the world's hidden flavors. This concept involves a combination of skill, knowledge, and intuition to find and recognize rare or unconventional ingredients that can transform ordinary dishes into gastronomic delights. The significance of this point within the broader topic of Epicurean trails, taste the world's hidden flavors, lies in its role as the foundation for creating extraordinary culinary experiences. By carefully selecting ingredients that are not commonly used or known, chefs and food enthusiasts can elevate meals to new levels of complexity and originality, enticing palates with tastes that are both novel and resonate with cultural depth. Real-world examples of this practice include the rediscovery and incorporation of ancient grains like quinoa and teff, both of which have gained popularity due to their unique flavor profiles and nutritional benefits. Another instance is the use of foraged ingredients, such as wild garlic or seaweed, which are becoming more prevalent in modern cuisine for their distinct taste and sustainable acquisition. These examples highlight the potential of unique ingredients to not only enhance flavor, but also diversify and enrich our culinary repertoires. Support for the importance of sourcing unique ingredients comes from chefs around the world who advocate for a return to traditional foodways and the exploration of global biodiversity. This view posits that a deeper understanding and appreciation of diverse ingredients can foster innovation in the culinary arts and contribute to sustainable food practices. However, sourcing unique ingredients is not without its challenges and controversies. Issues such as overharvesting, environmental impact, and cultural appropriation can arise, prompting alternative viewpoints that emphasize the need for ethical sourcing practices and respect for cultural origins. Moreover, the art of sourcing unique ingredients is intrinsically linked to other aspects of Epicurean trails. It influences menu creation, where chefs design dishes around these ingredients, and it enhances storytelling, enabling chefs to narrate the journey and significance behind each component. This connection underscores the broader narrative of cultural immersion and appreciation that Epicurean trails offer. By embracing the art of sourcing unique ingredients, we delve deeper into a world of flavors and traditions waiting to be rediscovered and celebrated, ultimately enriching our culinary journeys and perspectives. Culinary techniques that highlight regional flavors are methods and practices unique to specific areas or cultures that amplify and celebrate the distinct tastes inherent to regional cuisines. These techniques involve cooking methods, ingredient combinations, preservation styles, and presentation methods that are tailored to enhance the local produce, spices, and traditions. thereby creating a sensory landscape that is true to the region's culinary identity. These techniques are integral to the concept of Epicurean Trails, taste the world's hidden flavors, as they provide a window into the cultural and geographical nuances that define a region's gastronomic uniqueness. The significance of this concept lies in its ability to uncover and celebrate the diversity of global cuisines. By employing traditional techniques, chefs and culinary enthusiasts can recreate and preserve the authenticity of flavors that might otherwise be diluted or lost in the world of globalized food production. For example, the use of fermentation in Korean cuisine through the preparation of kimchi not only defines a core aspect of Korean flavor, but also enhances the nutritional value and shelf life of ingredients, providing both practical and cultural benefits. Similarly, the art of smoking fish in Scandinavian cultures, such as gravlax, showcases how a simple technique can transform the taste profile of an ingredient, offering insights into both historical preservation methods and contemporary culinary trends. Many chefs and culinary experts advocate for these regional techniques, arguing that they foster a deeper appreciation and understanding of a culture's history and traditions. These techniques allow food lovers to embark on a unique gastronomic journey that transcends mere consumption, offering an authentic taste of a region's heritage. However, there are challenges and controversies associated with the preservation and use of regional culinary techniques. Globalization and the fusion of cuisines can sometimes overshadow or erase local methods, leading to a homogenization of flavors. Additionally, the authenticity of traditional techniques may be questioned when adapted or modified for modern tastes or dietary restrictions, raising debates over what constitutes genuine representation. This exploration of regional techniques interconnects with broader themes of global culinary exploration and cultural preservation within the Epicurean Trails narrative. Understanding and utilizing these techniques not only enrich one's palate, but also foster a wider appreciation for cultural diversity and sustainability in gastronomy. Such an approach encourages a dynamic dialogue between past and present cooking practices, fueling both innovation and tradition in the culinary world.